Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today on this evening commute in very cold weather, it's about 2 or 3 Celsius, and there's some rain, stroke sleet, stroke hail going on here. I wanted to talk to you about motor insurance prices and get your opinions on what's going on and get your feedback. So if you want to join that discussion, then watch the rest of the video. All right, so my insurance recently came up for renewal, and I've got Motorbike insurance. So I've got both bikes insured with the same insurance company and underwriter, and I have been reading that somebody from the motor insurance company was interviewed recently and said that you know, thanks to lower speeds in town and all these 20-mile-per-hour limits being adopted around the country, there had been a reduction in the number of accidents and claims, and therefore that there had been a reduction in premiums being charged to motorists and motorcyclists, which got me all excited. I said, oh, awesome, so I'm going to pay cheaper insurance when my renewal comes up, right? Let me ask you, have any of you seen lower insurance costs recently? And you know, don't brag about it if you're from the southwest and you're paying like 5 pence for your motor insurance, or whatever it is, or whatever currency it is that you guys pay over there. I know that I get teased incessantly by spaghetti western and the southwest crowd because they get their insurance so cheap, and I pay on the prices. But even then, relatively speaking to previous years, has it reduced? Have you seen it go down? Has anybody ever seen this mythical insurance premium reduction? Now, I don't want to complain, and I don't want to brag, so neither one of those, but my renewal for the bikes was a whopping £5 more expensive than last year. And at this point in time, I am taking that as a win. So I was expecting, because of all the horror stories I've heard from people who can't get insurance and are getting quoted ridiculous prices. And don't get me wrong, I got quoted ridiculous prices. I was getting quoted northwards of £1,500, £1,700 to insure my bikes, and I ended up paying not a lot of money, over £500 for the two of them, comprehensive insurance, etc, etc. So as I said, I am counting that premium at this point in time, with all of the rising costs and inflation that have been going on, I am counting that as a definite win in terms of the premium that I was charged and the marginal increase. But again, I'm going to ask the question: what do you guys who watch the channel and ride motorcycles and whatever, what have you seen? What has been your experience with insurance companies and insurance premiums in the last couple of years? Have you seen this benefit from lower speed limits? Again, don't get me wrong, I am not radically opposed to 20-mile-per-hour speed limits. I think, you know, they can reduce accidents, they can reduce injuries and deaths on the roads if people adhere to them. That's a big if. And I don't think they really affect the flow of traffic that much. If anything, they might actually help, because people are going slower, so they can actually keep up a little bit with each other and occupy more of the road, as opposed to the accordion effect of the cars getting further apart and then coming back together again. Interesting maneuver there. But then again, you're in a big van protected by all that metal. If I push in and I get slammed, it hurts a bit more, doesn't it? But yeah, ignoring that for a second. So yeah, let me know what your insurance premiums experience has been in recent years, and if you've seen the mythical benefits of 20 mph speed limits. I am not strongly opposed to lower speed limits in urban areas. I think if we want to see more kids cycling and the roads to be safer, and there to be fewer accidents, and for the traffic to flow better, and for there to be less pollution from vehicles having to accelerate and drive faster. Not that they have to, but that they normally do. And I would love to see some more benefits from it, maybe through lower insurance premiums, but I've not seen them materialize yet. That's it for now. Let me know your experiences in the comment down below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and yeah, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. For now, in a very wet, cold London, with people driving as if it was dry and not slippery at all, this is a NooBiker out.